Got to do a transformation on this room. It really needs help, y'all. Check that out. So you see what it looks like, and then I'll show you the before and after. My bedroom transformation. Let's get into it. To the backboard, to the sides, I find a beam here and the hardwood here, and I just go straight across because that's where the box springs. So I'm going to do those 4 more, and then I have to connect this corner. These are the screws I'm using. Alright, you guys, 2 images. On your left is Wayfair, on the right is iOffer. And I purchased it through iOffer. I got it down to $700, and I got the mattress. The backboard is a lot more taller than the one on Wayfair, but the one on Wayfair is the one you can purchase right now. $1,359 at Wayfair, plus tax and maybe free shipping, I guess. But you get to pick amazing colors, and it's brand new. So I hope you guys enjoyed looking at my little helper down there. See how she picked up my phone? She's like texting people and stuff. She's only 14 months old, little climber. Because I am pregnant, I'm trying to be careful and not lift this up too much. So I'm gonna use I'm really like doing my squats right now, and I'm really gonna use my legs to push this mattress, like complete it. So I really won't have to use my back no more. And look at my little baby Shadiah. If you guys like her, you could follow her Instagram at baby Shadiah. I'll put it right there. Perfect. So the theme I was going for was sweet luxury, kind of like hotel, 5-star hotel style, but very, very modern, light furniture because the bed is so bulky and massive. I wanted that to be your eye point level, your eye level. So I did sheer white curtains on one of the curtains and then blackout curtains on the other, and beautiful white flowers with a clear vase with crystals inside. And these two side nightstands are gold, and I got them from Ross for only $40. And I put a tray on top of one of them just to make the top a little bit bigger. And these beautiful pillows. I have like two massive big ones, and they're covers too. So the covers come off so I can wash it. They're beautiful. The color theme I was going for was black, gold, white, and gray. Not off-white, but like white. Just thought that would look more clean. The pillows really tie it in and really brings out the little gold detail that I have for the nightstands. I didn't decide to do bulky nightstands. I already had massive nightstands. I wanted to do really something simple, like I said. And I even did a simple light you see on the right side, and that's from Ross. It was only like $29.99. And I spray painted it gold. It was black. And I love the size of these pillows, and I love the fabric. It's a velvet, and that's the same fabric as the actual bed, and they just really pop. The colors with the gold, gray, and black and white is the theme, and it just looks masculine but still feminine. The room came out perfect, just how I wanted to come out. It really feels very warm and cozy. You still get that luxury feeling. It feels like you're in a 5-star hotel. That's what I was going for. It's still very modern chic, but it still came out with a flavor of my own personal taste. And I think baby Shadiah loves it, and I love it, and I just can't wait to sleep in this California king size bed with my new backboard. And I do have a rug. It's like a cowhide rug I'm going to install once I get the carpet shampooed. But I'm glad that you love this video. Please leave comments down below if you guys have any questions of anything. Majority of the pillows came from Home Goods, and the blankets and sheets came from Bath & Beyond. And I'll post down there where this bed frame came from, and the two nightstands came from Ross. The only thing is I can't put the links of the two nightstands because they go so fast. They're not on their website. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.